Hello GP learners and super parents. Today's lesson is prepared on request from one of our amazing learners, Jasmine. Thank you Jasmine for your thoughtful questions. In this lesson we will learn Abacus Division with remainder. Before we start, let's revisit the way to place the actual sum or the dividend and the divisor on Abacus kit. The rule says number of digits in the dividend. Number of digits in the dividend is 2 minus number of digits in the divisor. Number of digits in the divisor is 1, 2, minus 1. Again minus 1, that is compulsory. The answer is 0. So we will start placing the actual sum or the dividend from 0 rod. We consider this place as our home point. Move right. Next to home point is 0 rod. So start placing the actual sum or the dividend from here. 2, 5, 25. Is divided by 2. Place the divisor at the end of the abacus. Consider one rod that represents 2. 2 is divisible by 2. As we consider one rod and the divisor is in single digit, jump one rod and place the answer here. 2 times 1, 2. Less 2 from here. 5 is left. 5 is not divisible by 2, but we can get the nearest answer. 2 times 2, 4. Jump one rod and place the answer here. 2 times 2, 4. We need to less 4 from here. Less a 5. Add a 1 to less 4. Quotient is 1 to 12 and the remainder is 1. We will write the answer this way. 25 is divided by 2 is equal to 12 within bracket 1. This is the remainder and that is the quotient. Zoom the abacus this way. Next one, 51 is divided by 7. Number of digits in the dividend is 2 minus number of digits in the divisor. Number of digits in the divisor is 1, 2, minus 1. Again minus 1, that is compulsory. The answer is 0. So we will start placing the actual sum or the dividend from that place. 5, 1, 51 is divided by 7. 5, 6, 7. Consider one rod that represents 5. 5 is not divisible by 7. So we need to consider two rods. 5 and 1, 51. 51 is not divisible by 7, but we can get the nearest answer. 7 times 7, 49. This time we will not jump any rod because we consider two rods and the divisor is in single digit. 7 times 7, 5, 6, 7, 49. We need to less 4 from that rod. Less a 5, add a 1 to less 4 and less 9. To less 9, less a 10, add a 1. Remainder is 2 and quotient is 7. 51 is divided by 7 is equal to 7 and within bracket 2. This is quotient and that is remainder. Zoom the abacus. Next one, 40 is divided by 6. Number of digits in the dividend is 2 minus number of digits in the divisor is 1, 2 minus 1. Again minus 1, that is compulsory. The answer is 0. We will start placing the actual sum or the dividend from 0 rod. 4, 0, 40 is divided by 6. 5 and 1, 6. Consider first rod that represents 4. 4 is not divisible by 6. So consider two rod. 4, 0, 40. 40 is not divisible by 6, but we can get the nearest answer. 6 times 6, 36. This time we will not jump any rod because we consider two rods, 4 and 0, and divisor is in single digit. So put the number just beside this rod. 6 times 6, 5 and 1, 6, 36. Less 30 from that rod and we need to less 6 from that rod. But it's not possible to less 6 directly. We need to apply tens complements. Less a 10, add a 4 to less 6. Remainder is 4 and quotient is 6. 40 is divided by 6 is equal to 6 and within bracket 4. This is quotient and this is remainder. Zoom the abacus. Last one, 37 is divided by 5. Number of digits in the dividend is 2 minus number of digits in the divisor. Number of digits in the divisor is 1, 2, minus 1, again minus 1, that is compulsory. The answer is 0. We will start placing the actual sum or the dividend from 0 rod. 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 7. 37 is divided by 5. Consider first rod, that represents 3. 3 is not divisible by 5. That's why we need to consider 2 rods. 3, 7, 37. 37 is not divisible by 5, but we can get the nearest answer. 5 times 7, 35. We consider 2 rods and the divisor is in single digit. So we will not jump any rod. We will put the number just beside this rod. 5 times 7, 5, 6, 7, 35. Less 30 and less 5. 2 is left. Quotient is 7 and 2 is remainder. 37 is divided by 5 is equal to 7 within bracket 2. This is quotient. This is remainder. I hope you have got your answer, Jasmine. And very soon we are coming with live session and starting with Abacus level 1. Join with us to clear all your doubts and perform calculation on Abacus like a pro. Thank you.